Yes, so God is like water. Allah is like water. The Most High is like water. And what does this world mainly consist of? Water. So there's only one God. There's only one life force. There's only one source. And that is the Most High. Me, I'm like these bananas right here. I'm something you need. I'm something that you require. I'm good for you. I'm healthy. I'm not toxic. I'm not, that's what they say, people are toxic. If a person is toxic, they like alcohol. They like a drug. They bad for you. They bad for you. They're going to bring you down. Don't be around them because they're not no good for you. They're going to bring you down. I'm like this right here. I'm like this 100% mango tangerine. I'm like this because you are what you eat. They say you are what you eat. So this is me. This is me. Can't you see? We the same color. We the same complexion. They say, what race are you? I'm mango tangerine. I'm mango tangerine. This is me. This is what race I am. This is what I identify as. This is my character. This is my culture. This is me. This is who I belong to. I'm mango tangerine. Yes. So, yeah, I'm healthy. I'm healthy. I'm good for you. Got a little chicken breast. I'm healthy. You are what you eat. Cranberry, apple. I'm healthy. I'm good for you. Got me a little avocado. Got me a little. I'm about to make me a sandwich. I'm on a budget. We on a budget, but we still healthy. We healthy. We're going to make a sandwich. We're going to put avocado on there. We're going to put a little cheese on there. We're going to have, they gave me 2 things of chicken. Got my, because we still healthy, but we like sweets too. Got apples that I like apples, but they good for me. So sometimes we got to do what we got to do. We might not like what's best for us. We may not like to hear positive content. We may not want to hear the truth. We may not want to do what's in our best interest, but it's always going to be in our best interest. You may not want to hear me, but I'm always going to be in your best interest. You may not want to drink water, but it's good for you. You only cheating yourself if you don't want to drink water. You only cheating yourself if you don't believe in God. God don't need you. The water don't need you. You need the water. The water is pure and good for your health. It's hydrating. You cannot live without water. You cannot live without God. You can't live without the Most High in your life. So the Most High is like water. We need water to cook with. We need water to eat with. We need water to do everything with. You can freeze it. You can boil it. You can take a bath with it. You can swim in it. Water is good for us. It's only one. We don't swim in this. We don't swim in this. We don't bathe with this. We don't cook with this. We just drink this. This is me. You just drink me up. Just drink me up. I'm mango tangerine. Just drink me up. Just put me in a glass and drink me. Okay. But I'm not God. I'm not water. I was going to compare myself to water. I'm not water. I'm juice. I think women are fruits and men are vegetables. Men are vegetables and women are fruit because women are sweet and women are good for you. Women are healthy for you. And men are like vegetables because men are healthy and men are good for you too. But men are not sweet like women. But did you know that a tomato is actually a fruit? So that's like a tomato is like on a down low. A tomato is on a down low. You wouldn't even know that it's actually a fruit, but it looked like a vegetable, but it's really a fruit. A tomato is on a DL. You wouldn't know. I'm silly. I'm so funny. I'm so funny. Yeah. So tomatoes are on a down low because you didn't know that tomato was a fruit. So it's a lot of vegetables that are actually fruit, and because they on the down low, they on a DL. That's like a man. He may appear to be a man, but he actually a fruit. That's why they call him. They be saying them niggas fruity. That nigga fruity. That nigga fruity. That nigga got a little sugar in his tank. That nigga sweet. That nigga sweet. Sweeter than an apple pie. Sweeter than sugar. Boy got a little sugar in his tank. He got a little sugar in his tank. He a little sweet. He a little sweet like this banana. And the man be like, I can't eat no banana because of the way it's shaped. Yeah, this is for the ladies. If you want to eat a banana and you a man, you better cut it up. Cut that thing up. Cut that thing up. You better cut that banana up, man. Because you're going to look sweet. You're going to look sweet if you ever peel it down there. But don't try to eat it whole. Don't eat it whole. Don't do that. Anyway. Yeah, I need to put this on this educational video right here. This under educational. Yes, I just had a revelation that just like I was saying that Men, I was saying, like, I'm a brand. I'm Sister Azra Love. I'm a brand. I'm a corporation. I'm a brand like McDonald's. I'm a brand like, this is the original brand was this. Bananas don't switch up. If it don't look like this, if I know what a banana looks like. This is a banana. Bananas are consistent. Bananas are yellow. They look the same every time. You know how they taste. They naturally sweet. You don't need to add no sugar. It's already naturally sweetened. You don't need to add nothing to it. It's already ready for you. Just all you got to do, you pick it off the tree and it's ready for you. That's like me. I'm already ready for you. I already got the right amount of sugar in me. I already got the right amount of everything, nutrients, everything, because everything comes from the earth. I came from the earth. The sun supplied this and grew this. The sun supplied this and grew this. The rain, God, the Most High, brought this into fruition, brought us to life. Fruition, fruit. Fruition. Yeah, so don't let this video go over your head. Play it back for the people in the back. God is water. There's no other God. There's nothing like water. We, just like there's different species of animals, human beings are the closest thing to God's creation. We have all different types of species, you know, it's levels to this. It's levels to this. So just know that. When you think of me, think of mango tangerine, 100% juice, 100% mango tangerine, 100% made from concentrate. I'm that concentrated mango tangerine, 100% Tropicana. This is not Tropicana. I got this from Aldi's. So yeah, we on a budget, but we still healthy. We on a budget, but we still healthy, baby. We on a budget, but we still healthy over here, baby. Because you know what? I'm healthy. I'm healthy and I'm good for you. And I am good for you. And you are what you eat. So let that be known that you are what you eat. So that's why we over here eating healthy and we putting out this good positive content. So take it or leave it. But just know that you need this. Take it or leave it, but this is what you need, baby. This is what you need. Because people don't like what they don't like what they need. They don't like what they need. People don't like what they need. They just like what they want. Everything, the life does not work like that. You can't always just get what you want. You just can't always eat chocolate, candy, chocolate, all that. You gotta drink your water. You gotta put God in first. You gotta put God first. Put God first. Put God first. And then you gotta put, if you're gonna entertain anything else, entertain this. Entertain some apples. Entertain that. Entertain that. And then you're gonna get a little bit of, switch it up. Get a little bit of this. All of it's healthy though. All of it's healthy. That's like my content, the people that I watch online, my content creators, my favorite content creators. I have like 5 or 6, maybe even 10 favorite content creators that I watch all the time. And all of them have different qualities. I have some men that I watch, they like this. I have some men. Oh, and what's this look like? This the shape of what? It's like this a masculine. This a masculine shape. This a masculine shape. I have some men that I rock with. This like Drew Tube. This like Jordan, We the Chosen Ones ministry. This is something I need in my life. I need this. I need that. So it has to be understood. We need the male, we need the masculine and the feminine. There's neither one is better than the other. There's two different categories. We got fruits and we got vegetables. I'm gonna elaborate on this further, but I just ordered these groceries. Let me put this up and make me a sandwich and get my put a little me inside of me. And get healthy. We healthy over here, baby. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Be blessed. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.